For a complete lighting system within one single brand, Trex Deck Lighting brings the name you know and the excellence you trust to your home. For a perfect atmosphere day and night, Trex offers an abundance of lights as well as transformers and dimmers to emphasize your outdoor space without overpowering it. Crafted with high-performance materials including powder-coated aluminum and impact-resistant resin, Trex provides premium lights that can truly hold up to the harshest elements. Trex deck lights are even water and salt air resistant, so you can accentuate your deck no matter your environment. With integrated LED bulbs from Cree, a world leader in LED technology, Trex Deck Lighting uses significantly less energy for a smarter, longer-lasting light. All Trex deck lights are manufactured at a uniform 3000 degrees Kelvin to provide a warm white glow that can add a touch of luxury to any deck. With Trex Deck Lighting, you're not having to piece together parts from several different brands to get the look you want. An all-inclusive arrangement is possible due to Trex plethora of lighting profiles including post caps, rail, and recessed deck lights. Perfect for either a new or existing deck, the Trex Light Hub connection setup allows for a smooth and easy installation. Simply plug your lights into the hub and connect to your Trex transformer. No wire splitting or electrical skills needed for a gorgeous shine. When you're purchasing a new lighting system, a brand's name and reputation set the foundation for what to expect. Trex is known globally as a leader in premium decking products and have only improved since their founding in 1996. Dedicated to innovation, style, and durability, Trex continues to thrive in their success and is consistently a customer favorite year after year. All of their lights are supported by an industry-leading 7-year warranty as they stand behind and believe in their products. And with every Trex lighting order, DecksDirect also offers free shipping. The entire deck lighting collection by Trex is in stock and ready to ship out to you same day right here at DecksDirect.com.
Hey, thanks for watching. My name is Nina. I'm part of the customer experience team here at DecksDirect. If you have any questions, comments, call us at 888-824-5316, or you can visit us at DecksDirect.com. We'd love to hear from you.